The old grandfather clock in the hall had stopped so long ago. So why then can I hear ticking, echoing, reverberating from the walls? Time had stood still for an eternity. So what has breathed life into this expired flat air? I feel a tug of uncertainty. Or is it a tinge of fear? This house has been neglected for so long. The air stagnant with the bitter taste of dead memories. The brickwork bare, paint patchy and crumbling. Dust and cobwebs fill the air. The place is beyond repair. So why is air now breathing through its corridors? Its grand halls now sounding full when before the silence would kill the ambience so dull. This building, a derelict relic of a bygone age, weather-stained woodwork warped out of shape. So why now does colour bleed into these walls when before they were greying yellow stained air? Now the halls are vibrant, highlighting the wonder and beauty inside there. This place, a disgrace of torn pages, old dusty papers, books and letters, memories piled precariously, haphazard gangways through this wild paper maze. So why now is everything in place? The surfaces clear, shelving furnished, everything alphabetic and perfectly lined up. Not a book out of place, not a smudge of dust on a single worktop. Everything is as it should be. How and why is this happening to me?